Hi, welcome to the BCCSA's video on how to use the COR audit document. In this video, we will review how to download the document and then we'll get into using the document. Let's get started. First, go to bccsa.ca. Once you're on the website, click on Programs and click on COR Audit. You'll find the COR audit document here. Click the document to download it. Note that you need Microsoft Excel to use this document. Open Office, numbers, etc. won't work. You need Microsoft Excel. Before you can start navigating and entering content into the document, you might have to enable macros. If you're using Windows, click Enable Editing. This will appear right when you open the document. If you're using a Mac, this window will pop up when you open the document. Click Enable Macros. You'll have to do this in order to use the document. Now that you have the document open, let's examine how you navigate it. To navigate it, look in the bottom left. The document consists of multiple tabs. You need to open each of these tabs when you want to input information or read that information. To navigate, click the arrow. This will cycle you through the tabs in your list, and you can click on each tab in order to open them. You also have to scroll up and down to view content within the elements. Simply just scroll up and down in the document. Excel also gives you the ability to zoom in and out. So for example, if you're zoomed too far out and you can't see what's written there, click the bar at the bottom right hand of your screen to adjust the magnification. Now that you know how to navigate the document, let's review inputting information. One of the many ways that you need to input information is by clicking these boxes. This is to award a yes or a no to your element. You have to do this in order to award points. To award points, simply just click yes. If you don't want to award points, click no. Clicking yes or no might not always award points. The auditor will have to fill out other tabs in the audit document to award points as well. Sometimes you have to have yes here and points awarded there as well. So in this case with 2.2, it's also required that the auditor fills out the interview tab. In this case, right here. You also need to add comments. To enter comments, click on the box. You can then simply type into the cell. When you're completing your COR audit, you're going to have to enter text on different lines. To go to a separate line in Windows, hold Alt and press Enter. Press Enter twice if you want to have a space. On a Mac, hold Option and then press Return. If you're editing text that you already have in the box, make sure you double click it. If you only do a single click and then start typing, you'll overwrite the text. So make sure that you double click when you want to edit your text. The COR audit document also contains a spell check function located at the bottom of each element. It is highly encouraged that you use this when you're completing a COR audit. You might need to resize the comment box if you have too much text. To do that, drag your mouse to the left-hand side. When you see this icon, you can resize the box. With that being said, this concludes the basic introduction on utilizing the COR audit document. If you have any questions about your audit, please email us at info@bccsa.ca. Alternatively, you can contact your regional safety advisor. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck with your auditing and take care. Bye-bye.